This na Naija super powered Beluslam Jam with Osam and OTB. The one and only Black Sherif in the building. I see you. They're the Chris now. Remember the year now Black Sherif they my front all the way from Ghana. Accra thing, so they for the loss and it tells you. All right, see now Black Sherif. You know now Black Sherif there for inside the studio. I call about 4 or 5 names where they give and where they born them. And inside one of the name, you go find out say one name there where they call Kwaku. And of course, if you remember, it's Kwaku the Traveler. Now, I don't need to explain them again. Say the guy use his own name to sing song. We blow where for inside Naija everywhere. And another thing what you supposed to understand, we say, me on a personal note, the first time I first see this guy as a breakout artist, then now when, if correct me if I wrong, go Kwaku, I'll call you Kwaku, or Black Sherif. Now, one show where the guy do, he don't blow or the song don't bust out when they call the pour water for your body from up. Remember that show?
Yeah,
I believe you. That one I said, who be this madman? Now what the guy the bar? He didn't bar for top stage. I said, who be this guy? That was about 2-3 years or 4 years ago.
Yeah,
2 years. You know, I said, who be this guy? And here we are with the guy. Of course, he did for inside the building. Black Sherif, you are welcome. But this matter of Nigeria and Ghana, the music, some of our your verse come out, do some kind of songs. Nigeria, you know, so now we be the headquarters of the Afrobeat, so we get a bragging right for our own level. How una they see the music collaborations between Ghana and Nigeria more?
I think say by year it increase. Yeah, because from last year, even me from last year. I did on Black Bones album. I did on Odumodu album.
Yeah,
I have my newest release.
Wait, they use black this way for all of you now. You deal with Black Bones, you deal with Odumodu Black. You can be black. There's a black thing.
You don't be intentional.
It was a blackicity. No one they call you Blacko.
They come very natural. Because me on Black Bones song, it happened for Atlanta. We go headies.
Oh, okay.
You see when we go headies? Yeah, that be where that we do that song. And me on Odumodu, they talk before Picanto when they drop Picanto.
Yeah,
they talk from that time. It be last year December. We drop.
Okay. But for the matter where they go and also when they get to do Modu, sometimes go where they get your own beef for inside the social media space. Even what they call them again, Black Bones, they get your own beef for social media space. But I never see we say that we host social media for Africa as Nigeria. I never see any trending Black Sherif the quarrel with one person or the other. But you don't get any beef with anybody before now. You just on the low for the level. So the those things so we say they happen for inside the industry where they annoy you, you would like to talk about, but you don't want just voice out.
You see, definitely if you dey industry, some things go worry, some things go happen, you know. Like
yes.
But it'd be good too to know when to speak them and when to not.
Yes.
You understand?
Yeah.
And that be what I plan to do. Like I know they make it bother me self, so say I go bring me out with them.
Yeah.
Things I know they like and they make it stay off.
Stay
off that side.
You
feel me? Yeah. That be what to be. I know when they talk right now. They no need.
No need, just stay on your own. Shatawale from Ghana if I come. Shatawale. He did make noise too. Many people they make noise from our side. You just quiet. Anyway, I don't know whether that's because of your age or because of say you did years ago or thereabout. I calculate, doesn't mean an old man, so I think you calculate your age now. I know what you don't come from, so move your liver. So they talk like what kind of old man say 1960 something. I live. Talk to me 5-6 years ago. Talk to me, guy.
I know one just come out high school and just stay everywhere.
Okay.
You know, so and I always knew I was saying. So I shot like I threw a shot, you know. I threw a dice on the music, and I found out I could write to.
Like when they talk for Nigeria, the oil day your head, one hand, now you bow. No, congratulations! I must even give you. I'm very, very impressed with your push because I'll call them saying I pushed after COVID because before then we had my boys like the Fireboy, Joe Boy. We come 2019. Then we got the one that say anybody go feel break out. I said that we don't know from Ghana. They confirm you don't give us. We understand. But then again, might go back to the beginning of this year. We started playing this song January 9th. So I got to wonder, say what be the correlation of January 9th and Black Sherif will, because they play the song January 9th for 2024. Talk to me.
That'll be my birthday.
No wonder. Happy birthday 9th. Of that. Although dog is like 1 year. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. You know why? Because it all the near. January 9th all the near. I be lying. And me and Black Sherif they sing for inside the studio here on your own song, but they give them backup. And I was man, you know that kind of thing. I've just did for inside the spreadsheet, small, make it for no loss. That one on January 9th. And of course, that's the title of the song, Black Sherif, we actually released January 9th, 2024. One thing with this song, they teach me what they always tell people, they say, you no need to wait for anybody to give you gift on your birthday. Treat yourself right. For me, January 9th song, where be say the owner of the song will be Black Sherif, or if you call him Black, where they for inside the level, treat himself, birthday gift with his own song, January 9th. And of course, you know as the matter they be, that was early this year. So treat yourself right, whether today or your birthday, anything what you want to make sure so you treat yourself right. No wait for anybody to come give you present. If they give you plus, but for you, my guy, now let you do, nobody send you. Shop your thing by yourself. All right, then may for no loss. Of course, we get a Black Sherif for inside the building, and I want to throw more light into this January 9th, and of course today now December 6th. So I need to ask you one thing. Probably we missed out something somewhere. January 9th, I believe, the last time we will hear that song from a Black Sherif. Or between January 9th and now, you don't drop one or two singles? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Kilos Milos, those ones. Now, all these ones now, something where they lead us to somewhere. Where that thing they lead us to?
That thing they lead us to early next year.
Which is January 9th. But we know now. Happy birthday present again. No, they don't.
See, have you dropped present on January?
No, so now this is your body of work. Waiting you want color. Now EP or now album?
It's album.
Now album, wow. Hey, I scratch it. Album, if now EP we don't talking at 5 or 6 high years, but albums, people they just play with it 14, 19. When I hear 25, I say, wait till you the same market. 16. Yes, wow. Now those 16 tracks, I want to make you just give us a little bit of heads up for inside Naija FM right now, because now we radio and of course at the headquarters of Afrobeat, and we're very privileged to have Black Sherif for inside our building right now. Black Sherif get a particular album when they bring come up January. He never tell us the date, never tell us the time, but he gets 16 tracks inside that album. Now inside this album of 16 tracks, who and who be the people who they expect say that they be co-stars? I put it like that, like say a movie with the art.
That one we go roll them out.
Wow. Wow.
Everything.
Are you
See,
serious?
This one is just a hint.
It's just a hint. Now another one, I don't want me to give us hint for the matter again, except you won't just hold on like that. What will be the title of this album? I still hint.
The title will be Iron Boy.
Iron Boy.
Iron. What be Iron for Yoruba?
Earring, I think. Yes, earring is called earring. Yes, earring is iron in Yoruba. But I need to ask you one thing about this iron. Where this iron? You know, I know say you know be iron condemn, but you know what they call iron condemn? You don't know. Iron condemn now people where they say
scrap,
they carry iron. Not call us scrap. That is our money.
I know.
You understand me? Leave gold, leave silver, leave blings. When people they collect iron, they mount the patch. Force their body. Not go there. I know how they talk. So what in actually that Iron Boy? Abi, what you call him? Iron what? No, the title of the album. Iron Boy. No, say Iron Man. They leave that one, but Iron Boy. Now that Iron Boy, waiting with the correlation with the iron and the boy. Me not say you now boy man, but live like that.
So there's two meanings to it.
Thank you.
First one is like it's an acknowledgement and a gratitude to like a legend from where I'm from.
I be like.
I don't know if you hear about
that's from Ghana side.
Yeah,
okay.
My life is OG. Yeah, but he's from where I'm from. He have an album called Iron Boy. He released album like
so like a tribute to the guy. How old that guy where you get how old is it now? He old well? But never die?
Nah, he never
okay,
died.
Nice one. Wow.
Yeah.
He don't reach 80, the man?
Not really 80, maybe
70 so. You don't reach 70 late 60, yeah. The guy said try. Nice one.
So that's the first meaning. And the second meaning, that's like the physical reason why I name an iron boy. So you see,
that's strong.
Yeah, and only in the fever rust.
And
how that be how tough
Iron B.
How the journey has been, how the experiences, things that have been.
Yeah. So that's, thank you. God bless you that you did here. Because I want just ask you answer that question. Say how it don't be for you, because I still did very impressed with the number of playlists where you don't bring come out with it out there. But what it be those challenges where you don't get in the past 4 years till now? Because you seem, not say you seem, you did. Just like you talk about the iron now, you they strong every year. So what it be those, because a lot of people are listening, you they inspire a lot of people right now. What it be those things where actually you don't face, where we say, yeah, it gets as better to be?
So many things, and you know, you if you face some things, then you go think say, nothing go shake me.
Give me one story where we say shake you that time. Give me one story. Oh yeah.
You see, mostly, you know, even the big stories where they shake. It comes down to the smallest things. I go need this mix. Make a feel drop this song in the next one.
Yeah.
Next one.
Yeah.
Then some small thing will happen.
Yeah.
You will change your whole plan. Then you will drop in the next month.
Not be lie.
The small things.
Not be lie.
Yeah. And I feel, and to me, I don't think say it will stop. So the only thing I feel do is say I for the stand through everything.
Okay.
Yeah. That's how come you get respect.
So kind of okay. Now I know say you be young guy, you know, it's like when I did your age, I know the things what I know the things what I don't do. You don't get anything like heartbreak before, woman matter, all those kind of level.
I know she heartbreak.
Yeah, you know, you be a young boy now. They're not in there, you. Kweku the traveler. Plus 15 others.
Yes.
What we never know yet. Another collabos we never know yet.
Yes.
You got the girls, they totally. I know, sir, at Black Sherif, now 1 arrow 1 F at Black Sherif for Instagram. Now there, you did TikTok, Nabi. You enter TikTok and you go to hear things. Update. He did there. You enter there right now, you find out what did happen for where Black Sherif he did. Now one person will say you need to give a little, not a little bit of, you need to give a lot of respect to, because of the fact, say, those of you who will be 22 years, I don't know what I'll do now. Yes, if you day outside the music industry, but he's 22 and he doesn't do things that come since 2021, and he doesn't even show any sign of slowing down. The guy they push forward, and in fact, he don't ever tell us say ahead, book ahead by January. Strong wind, one blow, iron wind. Iron Boy, down at the album, you need to expect that one to come from the stable of Black Sherif, make it from loss. So now, what will be your relationship with the Nigerian music artists? You got anybody where they beef? You got anybody where they say, I know talk yo. You got anybody where they beef? Or you got anybody where say that be your pally? Or you got person where they say, oh, I respect the kind of music? Or you got person where they say, this guy music, I won't find trouble. I said, yeah, now, worry everybody.
A lot of relationships.
Yes.
It ranges from producers to content creators,
yeah,
to artists.
Yeah.
A lot
you they work with Nigerian producers for your music at all?
Definitely.
This what do they call them? January 9 Chudwan.
January 9 Joker.
Nigerian producer.
Joker,
what of Rebel Music?
Rebel Music? Yeah, Louder.
Louder now from where?
Louder from Naija.
From Canada.
From Naija.
You know get up. You know get the level. You know get the level. You know get the level. No inside. I want to say you say louder. When you come out the loud, I said I'm from Canada. The guy for something like that. More your level like that. And that's that level. So the guy named Louder. They say like that. Oh, join. Talk to me about Rebel Music. Now your latest jam will be saying they promote everywhere right now. What did they happen inside Rebel Music? What did make you sing that song? Are you a rebel?
So see the Rebel Music, it comes from how the kicks stay. See how the boom. That be what inspired me to put Rebel Music. Because you see, if you watch movies, the only times you hear this kind of bam be when like the fights they come happen. Like you see, so like the song be inspired by movie. Yeah.
Oh, which movie be that? I didn't say.
I don't know. Movie where it did my head.
Okay, movie. Okay. You they plan to Did they plan to act for any film? You plan to act movie?
Not right now.
I said, I tell you, to go act film. The way they see you. You know, get
right
you want to know.
I feel like it go naturally. It go just see me to one.
Okay.
But right now, I know they plans.
All right, for the matter about so that now what you talk about the Rebel music as a matter they be, you understand? All right, then make it for no loss, me for no cause. I'm not gonna lie, you make we just try the issue as it they go now. Somebody say, well, are they impressed with the level of Kwaku speaking English? Them they speak pidgin English for Ghana. How come we speak pidgin English like this? This is not Victor Emu from Obaninde for where? For Lagos. Talk to me.
they ask me if we speak pidgin.
Yeah.
But
I one know, not me I know.
Yeah, it not be very different from the Niger, but it just be if you from both countries, you go fit spot them very easy. Yeah, but I know she'll say really far. It just be Ghana pidgin then Naija pidgin. No, it not really be different like that.
Yeah, I know. Charlie and the West Street, church, many things like that.
Yeah, like you say church, you say church.
They do church. If I hear said, but I live around any which way, all of us go still hold bottle together. We not speak with the whole bottle. Say with the for that. So what the kind of things where they free your mind, where they make you relax?
Are they ride bikes?
What kind of bike? Bicycle?
Bicycle, no vroom vroom.
Okay.
Now vroom vroom, my mommy no like make.
No, I don't like me. I don't like that one. No. Even myself, I know sabi ride motorcycle as I did. So,
I like bicycle.
Even a bike, no, I ride. I mean bicycle. More just talking where everybody respect. There's bike, there's bicycle around there. All those kind of levels. So now you don't tell us about your stuff when they come out this next year, and we don't know so that 16 tracks 9 days for inside the level and all, But as you did now, waiting be those people for inside Nigeria. Now, two things I want to ask you. First, what do you like about Nigeria, and who be those artists for Nigeria? So we never answer that one where you just like to, you like their vibe, so to speak. So let's talk about what you like about Nigeria first.
About Nigeria, how I feel like it be fast. Yeah, if you've been to Accra before, I
never reached Ghana before for my life.
Oh my!
I know a lot of people they laugh me now, but where I don't go, most often I never go. I don't go everywhere, but Ghana I never go. We'll talk.
If you've been to Accra and you've been to Lagos, you know like Lagos is really fast. Accra is just a bit calm,
Yeah.
The amount of times that I've come to Lagos, I feel like half of the times it be December times around like getting to 30 December. Sometimes I even come around 28th before. And I like how fast it be.
Are we expecting any performance for Black Sherif for inside Nigeria this
Lagos,
December?
Not this December.
Okay.
But next year, my own show.
But what for Ghana? They expect anything? For Nigerian levels, which kind of people, which one artists, where they feel their vibes as it is, where you go feel correlate with your own?
Definitely Burna.
Okay.
Yeah, I love Burna's music. I was at Obi's house. I did Obi's house with him Monday.
Okay.
Yeah, I love Fireboy.
Right.
I love Fireboy's music.
What are for females?
Female Faith.
Faith.
I recorded with Faith. I think last year.
Okay.
Accra, yeah.
You don't talk much with it for inside one of your songs. You don't catch you. Anyway, but you don't go with your song. You don't know you're the user. This guy. We don't G for the beauty. You never say anything. Anyway, I know why. Thank you so much for that level. What do you get to tell your fans right now as they hurt?
I love you guys so much, and I appreciate the support too much. Maybe it's more times I surprise every time. You see, if you hit milestone, you sometimes how the whole feeling they come, they happy. Then if you relax, things just the surprise you say, nah, maybe this.
Yeah, that's so. Even myself, I even ask myself, so you be this. Because when you say your bio, you go find out say, Bob, what thing you don't do for such a small space, it's really quite what they call unprecedented. Those kind of space, maybe now 7, you go see what people they do since maybe they hit. But your own Bob's guy.
Appreciate
one full page for inside laptop, no even carry. You got to say show more. They go down. Many of your tracks. Nice one, bro. Congratulations
and
for that
if they
level.
do where people like the responses I get from the songs, like the people that they listen to the songs, it means something to them.
And you get Nigerian fans a lot too.
They will text you, bro. This song, they go through this. Now this your song. Get me through this. This is your song. If you hear something like that as a creator, if I enter studio, I won't do more than I do.
Wow.
You understand?
Now you get more inspiration on that level.
Okay,
what do you want to tell your fans right now before we come on for studio?
God bless you. God bless you guys so much for keeping me in. Say Spotify just dropped Wrapped. Yeah, that means artists waited, they listen the whole year, and I did so inside. It's crazy. Yeah, wow. It's so crazy. More times me at the show. Yeah, but I'm telling you, the album is coming next year.
Okay. Yes. All right then. So Black Sherif, you say now the guy with louder. Sorry, now run
the 4 producers louder than inside.
So are we expecting any videos before the end of the year for this Rebel music? Yeah.
I shoot them. I know they call them videos. They call them movie.
Movie.
Yeah.
So is it out now?
I shoot them, but they come this year.
Okay, not this one they can come out. All right, thank you so much, Blacko. Thank you so much, Kweku. Thank you so much, Black Sherif. Only one person I hear that name. He did for inside the building for Naija FM 102.7. I did very privileged and honored to say the guy all the way from Ghana, our brother from our sister nation. They come in to just tell us we are all one. We push everything together, especially for inside this music. City Hot in sound, rebel music. Now Black Sherif nice and I want blast together. Say when music nice, you play twice. Thank you so much, my brother.
All right, many thanks to you for watching. I beg, may you try like and subscribe to this page so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.